Good morning, students. Today I am talking about copywriting for radio, television, and outdoor media. Copywriting for radio. We know copywriting is both an art and science. It is like salesmanship and serves the requirement of marketing principles. So it's rightly said that getting information will be cheap, but it will be expensive to attract the attention of the audience. The messages which are conveyed through radio contains words, music, sound effects, and it creates mind pictures among the listeners. Okay, it contains voice, music, and sound effects, which creates an image in the minds of the listeners. And the radio gives the copywriter complete freedom of time and places an amount of physical activity. So while practicing radio copywriting, firstly keep it personal, which means the copywriter can use conversational language. There should be an interconnected or conversational language in between the copywriter and the listeners. It is to be kept something personal to the listeners. Next, speaks to listeners' interest. That means it is a specialized program. A radio advertisement is a specialized program to target market. So, it must be a speech to the listeners, and it speaks to the listeners' interest. As per the listeners' interest, the copy must be given. The next, wake up the inattentive. A copy can do breakthrough and capture the attention in the first 3 seconds with sound effects, music, sound, commands or something unexpected. That is, within the first 3 seconds, a copy can attract the attention of the listeners, or it can wake up the inattentive. Okay. The next, make it memorable, which means listener remember what are you selling. A commercial should mention name of product empathetically and repeat it. Okay, the product name should be emphasized and it should be repeated. That is, make it something memorable. The next, include call to action. For example, whether a copy can arouse, it may be a question such like whether you got the product, didn't you purchase yet, and so such captions can call the action. Then it can create an image transfer, that is radio advertisement sometimes designed to link TV commercial. Okay. Mostly the commercials through the radio is also advertised through television. So, it can create an image transfer in the minds of the listeners. Next is copywriting for television. The TV commercials are usually visible on the screen, and it displays the product and includes demonstration of its performance, etc. And so we know this television is one of the most powerful entertainment media. It directly attracts the interest of the audience through advertising media and includes listening and watching. So, for building a brand loyalty, connecting with customers and drive viewers to action in a short period, a good television commercial can be a powerful addition to the marketing campaign of a product. It means a great television commercial will leave a lasting impression on the minds of the audience concerned. So we can say that a TV commercial is just like a face-to-face personal selling. That is because the advertiser may be visible on the screen and displays the products including demonstration of its performance. Okay, so television has a benefit of visual stimulation, so it can attract immediately the advantage of reaching its audience when it's most receptive. Okay, so for a successful TV commercial ads, there are certain tips or a copy must contain certain things. That is, firstly, review of the existing marketing material, and then research and review of competitors' product and services, then research and analysis of the target audience, that is what they want and how they can be satisfied, then custom TV commercial script, to follow the custom TV commercial script or practice the custom, then editing of existing script and make it as final copy. These are various tips for a successful TV commercial ads. The next is copywriting for outdoor media. Outdoor media includes posters and billboards. People usually see while passing through the board. So no one stops to read them carefully. The ad should be very relevant socially and politically and also entertaining. Then only it is to be watched or to be read by the audience. And usually the outdoor ads uses easily recognized symbols, which can be recognized even from a very good distance between the audience and the billboards. And the outdoor advertising took the form of vehicle wraps, bus advertising, LED and moving electronic displays, and billboard advertising. Okay, then when it is on the building or it's such a in the form of posters, it should be of short copy. That means a short copy including hardly 5 or 6 effective words. That is very effective. Then the message must be communicated in a few seconds. That is, the copy must be extremely simple and strong. And so the outdoor advertising is mostly placed on the right hand side of highways than on the left hand side. That is from the perspective of the driver's side. Okay. Then the outdoor advertising is designed in such a way that creates human interest, and the advertising gives a single unique idea. So the posters writing should be direct, straightforward and down to earth, as most of the people have less time to think. They just read the advertisement and they have no time to think about the ad. So it should be very straightforward and direct and straightforward and down to earth. Then poster should have high visibility. It has widespread popular appeal and it has wide coverage and flexible medium. The poster's writing is different from writing a letter or article or magazine. It should be kept in mind while writing a poster. Then the poster writing requires practice, openness and understanding of techniques involved in. And so the poster should be accompanied with logo and package. It means the name of the company should be placed. Product demonstration can be there if possible. Usually in a billboard or in the posters, the copywriter can use the symbols or the trademark of the advertisers. Okay. These are the copywriting for various media.